Richard Varial summed up in 60 seconds, one of the most amazing people I've ever met. Here he comes to an elementary school. His job is to clean up after 900 students and 100 staff. And what do we ask him to do? Well, some days we ask him to dress in a tiara, Santa, or even show up as Elvis for a star pep rally. We love Richard, and he did it with a smile. And some days he really felt bad with his illness, but he came through for the kids. It was always for the kids and for the staff. But his first question, whenever I asked him to help me out, he would say, "What did Miss Hyde say?" I'd say, "Oh, she said it would be fine." I was usually talking to the time service lady to see what we were going to do at PE that day. I just want to thank Richard for showing up every day and giving it his all for us. Thank you, Richard.